Hey beautiful people, it's Rosemary, and today I am taking my gorgeous Locs Crochet out. I am taking it out. It is 7 weeks and my baby shower is coming up in 2 days, so I have to take it out so I can install a wig, a coily wig, frontal lace wig. And if I didn't, I'll just wear my wig until I have the baby. I'm gonna have the baby in exactly 10 days. I'm gonna get induced, so I have 1 more week to go. 1 week and 2 days and 1 week and 3 days. But about 38 weeks. Almost 38 weeks. Alright, I'm going to show you guys how to take it out, because this one particularly was a little expensive, so it's not something you want to cut. Plus there is no need to cut it out. I haven't really maintained it. I said I was going to put some muse and maintain the coils, but I keep wearing it like that. I wore it up like this in a couple of videos and it came down like this beautifully. And then I also wore them out like this, and I used a lot of edge controls. They really look nice. But hit the subscribe button and let's get started. I'm gonna do it line by line. I probably should do the back in case I was going out, but no, I wouldn't. So I just wanna put my hand down there in between the knot. And that is it. That way I can use it some other time. Let me try this one. This one looks easy. And that's my new growth, all thanks to pregnancy hormone. As easy as ABC. Now, how often can I keep my hand? For how long can I keep my hands up? And then I have to loosen the braids up and then rebraid it. Okay, this looks easy. I want this video to be like 5 minutes or tops 10 minutes long, so I'm gonna pause it and continue. We are halfway there. So far so good. They look really nice. Look who is here to help me. Oh.
So beautiful.
The sexy the sexy wavy. Then let's go with that.
Sorry.
I think that one is a little hard. This one is easy. They just like put it through the loop. It was easier than I thought. I thought it would be like 2 hours to get it done. It's only been 20 minutes already, or 15 minutes. It's like putting it under the loop. I'm so glad, because this one was a little more expensive than the coily one, so you can reuse it. And the hair itself is so beautiful. Thank you. They did it, guys. All right, I'm gonna pause and continue when I'm almost done. Okay. I'm so glad you're here. This will go faster for me, because I still have to braid it and then go cook. I was going to just nap when I wake up and braid, but I'm not feeling sleepy. I'm just tired. But I'll just go ahead and plait it, so tomorrow when she wants to install, it will be easy and quick. And the last one, this was quicker than I thought. This was less than 30 minutes. What time is it? 11:15. Yep, we are done. So now I'm gonna loosen the braid. This is what my thing looks like. I'm gonna loosen the braid. Continue to stay tuned. So I'm gonna start taking the braids down. So that's my natural hair, but I did braid it with some artificial hair or some braiding hair. I'll probably braid this pattern again because of the wig to install. Okay, so one is out. Do not forget my hair is 2.5 years old. Natural. Hashtag natural. We are done. Done. What that color? We are done. Alright guys, I'm gonna go wash the hair. I'm gonna go wash my hair so that I can rebraid it and wait for tomorrow's installation. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you keep your eyes open for the next videos. Probably the next couple of videos is gonna be all my pregnancy vlog. You know, everything I did from preparing my body for pregnancy, baby number 3 and all that stuff. So stay tuned. Bye.